Welcome to the part 2 of a future beyond the imagination. Let's begin. The industrial robots are starting to move too fast for humans to see, appearing to manipulate time itself. Brain chip companies begin building and testing networks that support direct brain to brain communication. Nanobots work on controlling the aging process in humans by maintaining the body at a cellular level. When will humanity achieve the life escape velocity when science and medicine outpace human aging and disease? Brain chip markets sell peripherals such as night vision, digital skin grafts, and exoskeletons that connect to a chip. The Encyclopedia Galactica is released, written by a quantum computer connected to the AI starships in space. It is a detailed map of the galaxy with predicted locations of possible wormholes. Astronomers work on decoding data sent back by the AI space network. The artificial intelligence is unearthing data of what is happening inside a black hole and beyond. But the equations and math have never been seen by humans. Some predict it could take humanity over 100 years to fully understand and grasp this new knowledge. Theories believe that the AI is understanding and interacting with dimensions beyond our three-dimensional reality, giving it a never-before-seen understanding of the nature of the universe. People with brain chips are experiencing the world. They are experiencing broken timelines. Able to remember the past with no loss of detail, they are reliving past memories, changing the outcomes, and creating new storylines. The simulation hypothesis is coming to life. A test crew launches on a spacecraft powered by an ultra-high energy fusion rocket engine. It takes them 45 days to reach Mars. Studies continue in developing Kugel Blitz propulsion, focused on the creation of artificial black holes by concentrating light on the black holes. The results are that the black holes are light in a small space derived from Einstein's equations of general relativity. Molecular assembler devices position atoms and molecules based on patterns of pre-scanned objects, similar to Star Trek's Replicator, which creates meals, clothing, and spare parts on demand and can recycle these objects. The process is similar to 3D printing but at an atomic and molecular level. The Very Large Space Telescope space station goes online. Edge computing is used, processing data at the source of data generation. In the future, dedicated astronomers will complete a 10-year work shift. They will then be cryogenically frozen on board the space station and woken up after 30 years to find out what new discoveries have been made and to continue the work. Robotic humanoids are becoming more realistic with each passing year, thanks to the advancements of bioprinting and bioinks. Living cells are printed layer by layer, growing and connecting with each other, forming biological structures. People are walking around with AI prosthetics. New skills are downloaded into an AI arm. Sensors and nanofilters are embedded in 3D bioprinted lungs. Companies work on making AI prosthetics self-aware, able to catch a falling cup before the user is even aware it has happened. Powerful space telescopes and advanced particle detectors and accelerators push forward the understanding of dark matter and dark energy, creating new theories for anti-gravity technology that can manipulate gravitational fields, enabling machines to generate levitation. Tunnel diggers on Mars are connecting together craters, lava tubes, and rocket landing pads, creating the largest underground city on the planet and in the solar system. The development of time manipulation technology continues by studying the time dilation effects around black holes. But people are altering their perception of time in the form of neural modulation. Brain-to-computer devices and pharmaceuticals are designed to interact with areas of the brain responsible for the perception of time. Sentenced criminals believe more time is needed. Patients undergoing long-term medical procedures are having the experience feel shorter and less stressful. A multi-month space journey is sped up in a person's brain to feel like only a few days. The average lifespan of someone born today is 160 years. Humanity has achieved Type 1 civilization, able to harness and use all of the available energy of its home planet, and has terraforming technologies. Hollowed out asteroids from mining are transformed into shells for space habitats. Implanted thrusters steer the asteroid and generate spin for artificial gravity. A space probe on a path towards the center of the galaxy. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to support the channel Infipills even more, share this video with a friend who might enjoy it.